If you're looking to streamline your sales pipeline and increase efficiency, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Salesflare for sales pipeline management, providing you with all the key features and tips to make the most of this powerful tool. Salesflare is a CRM designed to simplify your sales process, and it does an excellent job of managing your pipeline with minimal effort. One of the best things about Salesflare is its automation. It helps you organize and track your leads without needing to constantly update things manually. Right from the moment you sign in, it starts pulling data from your email, calendar, and social media profiles, allowing you to focus more on closing deals and less on admin work. The main part of Salesflare that we're focusing on today is pipeline management. When you start, Salesflare allows you to create multiple pipelines, so you can customize your approach based on different products, services, or markets you're targeting. The software uses visual stages in your pipeline, which makes tracking leads and prospects incredibly straightforward. For each lead, you can track important activities like meetings, emails, calls, and tasks, all in one place. As you move through your pipeline, Salesflare automatically records these interactions, so you never miss a beat. One of the cool features here is its smart pipeline. This feature adapts to your unique process, suggesting which leads need your attention and when, based on their behavior and interaction history. Salesflare's activity tracking is extremely valuable for ensuring that no opportunities slip through the cracks. You can set follow-up reminders, and the tool integrates with your email and calendar to keep you on top of everything. You can also set up personalized tasks and goals for each deal in your pipeline, so you always know exactly what to do next to keep things moving forward. Now, let's talk about automation. One of the real strengths of Salesflare is that it helps automate repetitive tasks, making the whole pipeline process more efficient. For example, it automatically logs emails, notes, and calls to the relevant lead, so you're not wasting time updating records. This leaves you more time to nurture relationships and close deals. Salesflare also gives you insights into your sales performance through its analytics and reporting features. You can see detailed reports on your sales activities, lead conversion rates, and win-loss rates. This helps you optimize your sales strategy and make data-driven decisions that lead to better results. If you're thinking about integrating Salesflare into your system, you're in luck. You can actually try this software completely for free by clicking the first link below. And by using our exclusive offer, you'll get an extended free trial with bonuses that aren't available anywhere else. Salesflare isn't just a CRM, it's a complete sales solution that lets you stay on top of your pipeline and improve the way you handle leads. From automation to advanced reporting, it's designed to save you time while improving your efficiency. If you're serious about managing your sales pipeline, you'll want to see how Salesflare can help you close more deals with less effort. To recap, make sure you grab your extended free trial using the link below to get started with Salesflare and start seeing how it can transform your sales pipeline management today.